Happy Friday, Facebook. Hopefully you had a great Thursday. Ours was very eventful. We got quite a bit done. Lots of copper work, lots of work in general. We're trying to finish up a house. It's our last new construction house, and I'm trying to finish it up as much as possible and be done with that phase of my life and move on to serving you as the homeowner in service work more than just new construction and remodels. We're trying to expand ourselves more into just service. Is it time for a new one? What do I mean by that? Stay tuned. We're going to talk about that a little bit. If you're watching live, type in live. If you're watching it on replay, type in replay. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to us. I promise today is the day I'm going to sit down and I'm going to hash it out. They are going to be put back on there. They're going to be loaded up there. I did one, but I'm going to get a whole bunch more on there. So stay tuned. We can get you on there and you can have a full load of everything that's going on. Obviously, we're sporting the new look now. We are officially rebranded as far as uniforms. Everybody has their uniforms and is going around with the new brand. Hope you like the pinstripes, a little classy, a little baseball throw. But yeah, we're completely rebranded now, and so the new brand, the new Aspen Leaf is official and full throttle. What's it mean? Is it time for just a new one or not? So many times we go into a home. Oh, I've got a faucet. Look at it. This thing is